Have you ever wondered why, despite trying your best to eat well, your energy seems to lessen with each passing season? Or why your legs feel heavier, your sleep not as refreshing, and even those pricey supplements don't give real change? After years of guiding people in their later decades, I've seen a simple truth. Some everyday breakfast choices quietly work against the body's natural repair system. It's like a slow, hidden weight holding you back. Today, I'll share 6 simple morning additions, likely sitting in your kitchen right now, that work with your body, not against it. By the end, you'll see how tiny, achievable changes can revive calm energy, steadier digestion, clearer thinking, and a renewed spark you may have thought was fading for good. 1 warm lemon water. Let's begin with something incredibly simple: warm water with fresh lemon. Most people overlook this gentle ritual. We often wake up tired, reach straight for coffee, and push our body into action before it's ready. Overnight, your body becomes slightly dehydrated. Your cells need moisture. Your liver, your silent night shift worker, has been busy clearing out yesterday's waste and now needs a soft wake-up. Warm lemon water gives your system exactly that. The warmth soothes your stomach, wakes digestion without shock, and helps circulation ease into the day. And though lemon tastes acidic, once inside it acts balancing, helping reduce internal heaviness and puffiness that build slowly through the years. I've seen remarkable changes from this alone. A neighbor of mine, George, struggled with morning stiffness, swollen fingers, and sluggish digestion. He assumed it was just age catching up. But once he started warm lemon water, he returned weeks later radiating ease, less swelling, easier movement, and calmer mornings. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which your body uses to maintain soft skin, strong tissues, and a resilient immune system. As we age, collagen production declines, making recovery slower. A daily lemon drink gently feeds the system from within. How to do it? Warm 10-12 ounces of water, not too hot. Squeeze in half a fresh lemon. Drink slowly before food or coffee. If your stomach is sensitive, begin with a few drops and increase gradually. 2. Raw honey. Our second choice is pure raw honey, untouched by heat or processing. For centuries, honey was treasured not just as sweetness, but as a natural healer. Raw honey still carries enzymes, minerals, and protective compounds that store-bought processed honey often loses through heating. A small spoon in the morning supports digestion by helping your stomach break food down more easily, which matters even more as we grow older and digestive fire naturally softens. Raw honey also nourishes the helpful bacteria in your gut, which are key for strong immunity, mental clarity, and smoother digestion. Since nearly 70% of your immune system sits in your gut, keeping it supported with natural foods like honey can be a quiet but powerful step in feeling consistently strong. Store-bought honey is often filtered and heated, removing the very components that make honey supportive. Raw honey is alive with goodness, gentle, natural, and strengthening. 3. Fresh ginger root. Now we move to the third, fresh ginger. Just a thin slice of ginger can spark warmth and circulation deep within the body. Ginger has been trusted for centuries for its ability to ease bloating, support digestion, and reduce inflammation. As we age, food tends to sit heavier. Ginger reignites digestive strength, helping your stomach produce the enzymes it needs to process meals efficiently. This means less gas, better nutrient absorption, and a calmer stomach throughout the day. Ginger is also a natural anti-inflammatory. Many older adults who add ginger tea to their mornings report eased joint discomfort, warmer hands and feet, and more fluid movement. And if you're someone who catches colds easily, ginger's natural antimicrobial qualities offer steady support. How to use: grate or slice a thumb-sized piece. Steep in warm water for 5-10 minutes. Add raw honey if you'd like. Sip slowly and enjoy the gentle heat spreading through the body. Or golden milk, turmeric milk. The fourth choice is warm milk with turmeric, often called golden milk. This soothing drink has been used across generations to calm the body, settle the mind, and nourish joint health. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural compound known for its powerful ability to ease inflammation, the quiet force behind many age-related discomforts. Chronic inflammation affects joints, memory, heart function, and energy levels. Curcumin supports the body's process of calming inflammation so that healing can take place. For many in later life, this drink feels like a soft evening embrace. It helps relax tense muscles, comfort aching joints, and support deeper rest. Turmeric is also connected with boosted mood and improved mental sharpness. How to prepare? Warm your preferred milk slowly. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric. A pinch of black pepper helps absorption. 1 teaspoon coconut oil or any gentle fat. Stir and sip slowly. This combination allows curcumin to travel deeply into your system. 5. A fresh apple. The 5th item is simple but powerful: a fresh apple. Apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber that works like a gentle internal sweep. It binds to waste, excess fats, and leftover substances in your gut and helps move them out smoothly. This light detoxing effect leaves your stomach less bloated and helps regulate blood sugar levels, important in the later decades of life. Apples also contain antioxidants that support the heart, protect cells, and strengthen mental clarity. They nourish the gut microbiome, which in turn supports immunity, mood, and digestion. The simplest approach? Eat 1 whole apple, skin included, sometime in the morning, ideally after your golden milk. Take slow bites. Let your saliva begin the digestion process. This small ritual can transform your morning digestion and stabilize your energy. 6th, sesame seeds. Our final choice is tiny but mighty: sesame seeds. Don't let their size fool you. These tiny seeds contain calcium, magnesium, iron, and essential fats that support bone strength, muscle relaxation, immune health, and day-long energy. For people in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond, sesame seeds can be a hidden blessing. They support bone density, calm muscle tension, and nourish the nervous system. They also help ease chronic aches and support hormonal balance. How to take? Soak 1 tablespoon overnight. Eat them in the morning, plain with fruit, or mixed into honey. They add grounding energy and lasting nourishment. Final thoughts. Today we explored 6 simple morning habits that can gently transform your daily life. Warm lemon water, raw honey, ginger root, golden milk, a fresh apple, sesame seeds. The greatest changes come from the smallest, most consistent steps. So choose one to begin with, maybe lemon water tomorrow morning or golden milk tonight. Share your choice below. Let's inspire each other toward steady, nourishing change. Thank you for joining me. Stay strong, stay mindful, and I'll see you again soon.